Hi viewers, welcome back to my channels. Today I am talking about this wheel loader, commercial wheel loaders. Its AC not working. Blower was not working. So I checked all these fuses and all these relays are okay. Then I open the blower this side from here. This blower I open this blower and I check it outside directly. Direct power here from the battery, it's working good. It has no problem. So problem is anywhere else. Hi viewers, I have fixed back this blower, you can see, and now I have find out the fault. Problem is here. This is the AC resistor. This decrease and increase the speed of the blower. So problem is here. I show you what the issues is this one. I fix back. I'm going to on machine, not start, just only on the machines. So you can see I just machine is on and now our AC is working. Here you can see you can low, medium. The medium is working. You can speed is changed. This is a high speed here, medium. This is a high medium. And now I put it high position and put it high. It become very slow. So problem is just this one here. Okay. So now I will order this new one and then change it, then let you know. Hi viewers, as I have shown you, my blower motor is not working, and also I told the reasons because my resistor is not working. So what is the resistor and what is the purpose of resistor for this reason? To explain to the function of the resistor, I have made this diagram and I'm going to explain how the resistors work and what is the purpose of these resistors. Actually, this resistor is the control the speed of this blower. So in this circuit, you can see this is a blower motor. This one is a resistor which control the speed of this motor, and these are the all relays, and these are the switches. This one is also switch. These switches and these two fuses is connected to the control units. So you can see this is a control unit. This relay is for the AC compressor. The This fuse give the power to these the coils of these relays. You can see the current is flowing to the compressor and also to this coil, and current is also going to this coil, to this coil, to this coil, to this coil. So this fuse is giving the power to the coils of these relays, and this fuse is giving power to the this blower. So now how this current flow through this circuit and getting power, and this motor is moving. So when we switch on blower, when we switch on the blower, this relay become energized. When this relay energized, so power flowing from this through this fuse to this, because this relay is energized, so this contact are closes. So current flowing through here to this side, and this motors, this when power is coming here, but this circuit is open, so circuit is not complete. So it means the current is not flowing through this area, not flowing to this because this is also open, not current flowing to this one because this one is also open. So current flowing to this area, to this one, to this one, to this one, to ground. So some of our voltage drop here, some voltage drop here, some voltage drop here. So very slow amount of the very small amount of the current is flowing to this circuit. So our speed of our motor is become very slow. So this is called low speed. When we switch on this blower button, our motor is working but is in a low speed. When we switch on high speed relay, so we switch on this high speed switch on this high speed. So what happened? Our this relay, because this relay, this coil is getting the power, so our relay energized. When this relay energized, this contact closed. So this contact become close. When this contact close, so what happened? This one is our, so power from here to here. So now all the power, all the voltage drop across this motor. So our motor be moving with the high speed when we switch on the high speed. When we switch on the medium M2 speed, so what happening? This relay energized. When this relay energized, this contact closes. When this contact closes, so what happened? Our power, our current is flowing through to this circuit. So this circuit closes to this one, to the ground. So it's mean our path is now, this one is closed, this one is open, so current is going from here. So our, because some voltage dropped here, so our speed become little down of this motor. When we make more speed down, yeah, slow, we switch on this button M1. So what is happening? So this relay energized, because now the circuit is complete from this to this side. So our these contact closes. When our these contact closes, so our current is flowing. Let's see, I showed you to this area, to this, up to here. So circuit is completed. Some voltage drop here, some voltage drop here. So our speed is become the medium 1. So this is the small introductions how our this resistor control the speed of this motor. I hope you can understand. If you have any questions or any comments, please write down in the comment box. I must reply you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.